By 2050, everything you know will change. Not slowly, not quietly, dramatically, irreversibly, and faster than any generation in history. Our planet is heating up. Over 1 billion people will face deadly heat waves every year. Coastal megacities from Miami to Mumbai will battle rising seas. But humanity adapts. Floating neighborhoods, giant seawalls, amphibious homes. Rotterdam, Singapore, and Copenhagen are already building cities designed for water. We're reinventing food. Vertical farms use 95% less water than traditional agriculture. Lab-grown meat will feed billions without a single cow. Biotechnology is rewriting life itself. CRISPR gene editing is already eliminating hereditary diseases. By 2050, an organ printed from your own cells could save your life. Average human lifespan could reach 90 years globally. AI diagnostics, personalized medicine, and nanobots in your bloodstream. This is not science fiction. The global population hits 9.7 billion, but the real story is where those people are. Europe and East Asia face dramatic aging. Japan will have more people over 80 than under 15. Robots and AI